eForMarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. And it is just about 11 o'clock on Wednesday, 10th of June, 2020, FOMC day. Market taking profits ahead of news. And we're trying to show that perspective right here. It's at 80.5, next target potentially. And in this swing, we've stalled at that 1875. We said paid for sure up here. We're using that for resistance. We had to get underneath this 92s today, and we said 92s to 95 under that good fortune. And then once we were able to rotate south side and stall, we used that 02 as resistance. We showed that on the predictive. And what I'm showing now is this idea of how far we have come in the idea of profit taking ahead of news. You know, somebody's taking profits, obviously, and that's causing this drawdown, which I still think you need to cover, certainly coming into lunchtime, the primary trade. So this 81 was a big target. 81 to 82 that we've talked about before. And realistically, I think you need to get paid there. You know, anything below this, in my belief, extremely good fortune. So this chart, which we're already prepared for, we already know in advance that, okay, this is a zone that we need to understand and respect. And now we can set up our new range, that minor breakdown. We'll go back and this e-widget should take care of this, very nicely by itself. So using 75 for support, anybody's trying to buy, it does not have to hold, does not have to work. Trend is down right now, but I'm still thinking it's a two-way day with profit taking that will be taken ahead of the afternoon news. And we can see that we have taken out the low, this undercut low. And again, this software here will just automatically adjust. And if you're using what I've shown you how to do this, then just make your adjustment manually. And now we can understand same dynamics, same relationships, but just with a little bit broader range. And now we know that we have a new pipe. And as we suggested earlier, that 05 probably is going to be a very important location. So we can see the symmetry now too with the 05s, all right? And that's the whole point of understanding symmetry. So this is a washout, and the most important thing that I can review with you on this washout is what happens subsequently. Does that washout get taken out and then get reacquired? And if so, can it stay above it? Because that prior low, this is an undercut low. If we get back up above the 83s and stay there, and usually it'll take some time to get that resolved. But that's an important idea in trading. Can we get back up above it, or in fact, does that become a pivot and we go below it and stay below it? And then if we do, obviously, we're still trying to find support. If not, this is nothing more than like a double bottom. And a lot of traders don't get that idea because they think it's about one specific idea, your trade. It's not. It's about a location. So wrapping up this video, it's very important to understand the importance of a location like this, where this is the zone they've entered, and you can't just say, okay, that's the exact high that needs to work, and this is the exact. It's that zone. You can see this is where the boys have loaded up, and want a broader idea. You can see that's the loading zone today from yesterday's high and today's high. We want south side from here. And we can see from yesterday's low and the prior day's low, this is the heart of where they would are evidently coming in, right? That 82 zone. And now, can they get it back up above this 92, right? And if so, this is an undercut low. And these are the most powerful ones that trap traders that keep thinking, okay, we broke down, we're coming this way. So the real key in the rotation now is to be observant of this bounce. And if this bounce can come up here to the 40 back, probably the low is in, timing wise, price wise. So very important rotation right now. And if a head of steam can be taken here, then obviously anything goes. And in my opinion, probably next 15, 20 minutes, we'll resolve this pretty nicely. Best shorts are done. Anybody that bought these 82 area that we talked about as an important support stops up. No guarantees you're going to get a flyer here. And we're going to keep an eye on this now. Guys, that's the best I know how to describe how trading really works. And time will tell, and we won't know. You know, we got a 2-box move. You need the 3 to abandon this box. So that's why you get a little chop in here, and then on a pullback, can we hold up in here again or not? So washed out these traders, and theoretically, obviously, you can hit one more bounce today. And we had said all along, okay, you got to use that 87, 88 as support till it breaks. We've broken it, so that opened the door to test your lows. And we said deeper support back at 82. So here we are. Hope that helps.